Oh, yeah. Just 9 rooms where the green tide meets the shore. A secret that the island keeps, what you've been looking for. Balcony mornings with a view out to Praslin. AC kissing your skin while the world's unraveling. No big resorts, just your own front door on sand. 5 minutes from the village with the whole world in your hand. Oh man, let repair. It's the chill you're dreaming of, your own hidden gem, wrapped in island love. From sunset's last light to the Italian chef's kiss. Oh man, let repair. This is pure Seychelles bliss. Grab a bite by the jetty, let the warm wind be your guide to beaches made of paradise with nothing left to hide. Gardens whisper softly, hammocks start to sway. The staff knows your name by the end of the day. Nico's kitchen calls you with that tropical twist. Fresh catch lime and pasta, tell me what did you miss? Oh man, let repair. It's the chill you're dreaming of, your own hidden gem, wrapped in island love. From sunset's last light to the Italian chef's kiss. Oh man, let repair. This is pure Seychelles bliss. Not the biggest, just the brightest feeling. A smile that's real, true island greeting. TripAdvisor, hearts and booking.com cheer. For the view, for the peace, for the life right here. On Nancy reunion where the choir speaks loud. Drop your bags, find your pace in the Digue cloud. Oh man, they repair.